Have you ever opened mail and thought, why is my iCloud mail not working today? Maybe emails aren't coming through. Maybe you can't send emails. Or maybe the mail app just refuses to load at all. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix iCloud mail issues on both iPhone and Mac. Before changing any settings, let's confirm whether the issue is on your side or on Apple's side. Open any web browser and search for Apple System Status. Look for iCloud Mail in the list and check the dot next to it. If the dot is green, iCloud Mail is working normally. If it's not green, the problem is on Apple's side and usually fixes itself. If iCloud Mail is down, don't change anything yet. Just wait a little and check again. Next, make sure you're connected to the internet. This sounds obvious, but it's the most common cause. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and make sure you're connected to a network. Turn Wi-Fi off and back on once. On Mac, click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar, confirm you're connected, then disconnect and reconnect once. If possible, switch to a different network just to test. Now let's confirm iCloud Mail is actually enabled. Sometimes it gets turned off by mistake. On iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID name at the top, tap iCloud, then tap Mail, and make sure iCloud Mail is turned on. On Mac, open System Settings, click your Apple ID, select iCloud, and make sure Mail is turned on. If it's already on, turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Next, restart your device. Don't skip this. A simple restart fixes a lot of iCloud Mail problems. Restart your iPhone, restart your Mac, then open the Mail app again. Restarting refreshes background services that Mail depends on. Now check your iCloud storage space. If your iCloud storage is full, emails may stop arriving. On iPhone or Mac, open Settings or System Settings, tap or click your Apple ID, select iCloud, and check how much storage is available. If it's full, delete old backups, remove large attachments, and clear unnecessary files. Mail can still receive emails, but it may not sync properly when storage is full. If iCloud emails are not coming through, try this. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Mail, tap Accounts, tap iCloud, turn Mail off, wait about 10 seconds, then turn Mail back on. On Mac, open Mail, click Mail in the menu bar, select Settings, go to Accounts, choose iCloud, uncheck Enable this account, wait a few seconds, then check it again. This forces Mail to refresh its connection. If iCloud Mail won't send emails, the outgoing server might be the issue. On Mac, open Mail, click Mail, then Settings, open Accounts, select iCloud, and click Server Settings. Make sure Automatically Manage Connection Settings is enabled. On iPhone, this is handled automatically. If sending still fails, remove iCloud Mail temporarily, restart the device, and then add iCloud Mail again. Manual SMTP changes are rarely needed, so it's best to let Apple manage this. If the issue still isn't fixed, try signing out of iCloud and signing back in. This helps with deeper sync problems. On iPhone, open Settings, Tap your Apple ID, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone, then sign back in using your Apple ID. On Mac, open System Settings, click Apple ID, sign out, restart your Mac, and then sign back in. Just make sure you remember your Apple ID password before doing this. Next, test iCloud Mail on the web. Open a browser, go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and open Mail. If it works on the web but not on your device, the issue is device-related. If it doesn't work anywhere, it's likely an account or server issue. Finally, here's a quick checklist of last fixes you can try. Update your device software, disable any VPN temporarily, remove and re-add iCloud Mail, and make sure date and time are set automatically. So that's how you fix iCloud Mail not working, whether emails aren't sending, not receiving, or not loading at all. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to AIM Apple, and comment which issue you were facing. More Apple tips are coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.